Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will talk about layout grid in Figma. Uh, so why do we use layout grids? Layout grids helps us to stay consistent with our spacings and alignment throughout the design process. Okay, and let me first of all create a frame and then show you how we can add a layout grid. Okay, so this is the basic desktop layout I have selected. Okay, you get this option here, layout grid. Okay, you need to click on this add button here. Once you click on it, you see by default you get all this like rows and columns together, you get it. Okay, by default. Now if you want to edit this, you're going to click on this drop down, the grid. Okay, the drop down. So you get three options here: grid, columns, rows. Okay, now I'll be selecting the columns. Okay, so by default it gives 5 columns. Okay, you can see 5 columns are there. Now I want 12 columns. Okay, here the colors also you can edit. Here I'll show you how, like this you can edit the colors also. So for me, like red is okay for now. And also you can edit this also, like the type of grid you want. This is the stretch one. Okay, if you click on the drop down, you'll get left. Okay, the grids will be shifting to the left side of the frame, right. Okay, center. Okay, and then stretch. Fine. So margin I'll give it 60. Okay, 60 pixel is fine. And the gutter. Okay, what is the gutter here? So the space between these columns are called gutter. Okay, the gutter value. Like for example, if I increase it, you can see that the gutter value increased. Okay, 50 C. Okay, so for now let it 20. Okay, so this is how you are going to add a layout grid to your frames. Now for example, you want to save it. Okay, you want to save this style. You're going to simply click on this 4 dots here. Okay, then you are going to click on this add button. Okay, now I'll give it maybe grid style 1. Okay, uh, desktop. Yeah, just click on the create style. Done. So a new style is created. Now for example, you click on the frame again, and and you want to add the same grid style to this one. Okay, so what you are going to do is, here you see the layout grid. Just click on these 4 dots here. Now this is going to give me this like this style. Okay, this one I just saved now. So this is applied to this. Okay, so for example, you want to hide the grids. Okay, like, so in that case you are going to click on the shift or option key and then click on G. That's it. There is a shortcut to hide. See, the layout grid is hidden in both the desktop. So at one go with this shortcut you can hide and unhide the grids. Okay, again you click on the shift or option key. Okay, and then click on G. Okay, shift plus G. That is the shortcut for hiding and unhide the layout grid. Okay, and in case you want to uh, in case you want to remove this layout grid, you are just going to click on the minus button here. It is removed. Okay, this is also a way you can remove the layout grid. So that is it for this video. and I hope you got the concept. And if you have got any doubt, so let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.